Okay, let's start here and evaluate each expression. My A equals 3. My B is going to equal 7. My C is going to equal -2. My D equals 1/2. I can also write it as 0.5. And my E is going to equal 3/10. So let's go ahead and substitute. I have 5 times my A. Remember, I'm going to use parentheses. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem, plus 3 times C equals -2 divided by 3 times, let's make that green or red, 7. Now we can use order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally to solve. Always solving the numerator first. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 times -2 is a -6, and then in my denominator, 3 times 7 is 21. Solving the numerator first. 15 plus -6, or 15 minus 6, is 9 over 21. I can reduce it by dividing both by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. My answer is 3/7. Okay, let's go ahead and rewrite the problem substituting, and then we can evaluate the expression. I have 3 times B equals 7. Turn green. Minus 21. Your D is 1/2. And then squared. And I'm going to go ahead and solve inside the parentheses, moving left to right because I have multiplication. So I'm going to solve 3 times 7, and then I'm going to solve 21 times 1/2, which essentially you're taking 1/2 of 21. So 3 times 1 is 21. 21 times 1/2, or 1/2 of 21, is 10.5 squared. And then 21 minus 10.5 is 10.5. And then squared, which essentially means 10.5 times 10.5, which gives you 110 25/100. Okay, very good. And number 9. Once again, I'm going to substitute. 4 times my A is 3. Minus 6 times 1/2, which is taking 1/2 of 6, so I know that's 3, divided by 2 times your B is 7, plus, and your C is -2. And now we can solve according to PEMDAS. I'm going to go ahead and solve in the numerator first. I'm going to solve my multiplication. 4 times 3, and then 1/2 of 6. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve in my denominator. 2 times 7, and then I have a -2. So that's what I'm about to do. So 4 times 3 is 12, minus 6 times 1/2, or 1/2 of 6, is 3, divided by 2 times 7 is 14, plus a -2. And solve in my numerator. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 14 plus -2, or 14 minus 2, is 12. I need to reduce it down to simplest terms. They both have a 3 in common, so I'm going to divide both by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. I get 3/4 for an answer, or 0.75. Very good.